Hello all, I am Vijayendra Reddy, Current Affairs faculty. In today's video lecture, we will see some regional news. First, we will go to Andhra Pradesh. The Ministry of Shipping has said that it will set up one shipping training center in Visakhapatnam. The Ministry of Shipping will set up Center of Excellence in Maritime and Shipbuilding, which is called CEMS. I will repeat, Center of Excellence in Maritime and Shipbuilding in Visakhapatnam as well as Mumbai. So, two cities have been picked to start this CEMS, Center of Excellence in Maritime and Shipbuilding. One is Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh and the other is in Mumbai, which is in Maharashtra. And this announcement was given by India's Shipping Minister Nitin Gadkari. And this center will be set up by the Ministry of Shipping in collaboration with a very big company called Siemens and also IRS, Indian Register of Shipping. And this project CMS will be set up under the Sagarmala program or under the Sagarmala program. CMS will train the students, and the training at CMS would include ship designing, ship building or ship manufacturing, operating, maintenance, repair and overall. So, remember this shipping training center CMS will come up in Visakhapatnam very soon. Then the Vice President Venkaiah Naidu and Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, both of them have inaugurated the first two blocks of Andhra Pradesh campus of VIT, a very famous private university, VIT or VIT, Vellore Institute of Technology at Ainavolu. Ainavolu is a village in the Amaravati region of Andhra Pradesh. And these two blocks were inaugurated by the Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and AP CM Chandrababu Naidu at Ainavolu village in Amaravati region. And this is VIT Andhra Pradesh campus, Vellore Institute of Technology, and they have inaugurated two blocks. One block is academic block, and it is named after Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, first Vice President or the second President of India, and the hostel is named after Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu. So, remember this VIT AP is coming up in Amaravati region of Andhra Pradesh. Then in Telangana state, three major events happened. Among them is Metro Rail and Global Entrepreneurship Summit. We will discuss that now. First, we will see this. There is an organization called NOTTO, N-O-T-T-O, National Organ and Tissue Transplant Organization, NOTTO, National Organ and Tissue Transplant Organization. This NOTTO has chosen Telangana's Jeevan Dan organ donation scheme as the best performing organ donation drive in entire India. So, remember this scheme, Jeevan Dan scheme of Telangana government winning the best performing organ donation drive in India. Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare JP Nadda presented the award at the 8th Indian Organ Donation Day celebrations in New Delhi on November 27th, 2017. So, remember this point, November 27th is celebrated in India as Indian Organ Donation Day, and also remember the present Health and Family Welfare Minister is JP Nadda, and also this organ donation scheme of Telangana called Jeevan Dan. Next, we will move to Metro project. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Hyderabad Metro Rail project on November 28th, 2017 from the Miapur Metro Rail Station. This is a 30 kilometers long phase of metro project between Miapur and Nagol, and this 30 kilometer stretch has 24 stations. And on the same day, at the same event, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi also unveiled a mobile app called T Sawari. T stands for Telangana. Telangana Sawari is a mobile app which was also launched by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on this day, November 28, 2017. Then the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with the Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao, Telangana Governor E.S.L. Narasimhan, Telangana IT Minister K. Tarak Rama Rao, travelled by metro from Miapur to Kukatpalli and back. And this metro became open to the public the next day, that is on November 29th, 2017. That means it became commercial on November 29th, 2017. And the minimum train fare is 10 rupees and the maximum train fare is 60 rupees. And each train would initially have 3 coaches and the maximum passengers capacity in each metro is 1,000 people. And in fact, this Hyderabad Metro Rail is the most innovative and the world's largest such project in the PPP mode, that is public-private partnership mode. And Hyderabad Metro Rail Limited's managing director is NVS Reddy, and this Hyderabad Metro Rail project is awarded to a very big company called Larsen and Toubro, or L&T. So remember all these points, they look very simple, but all are very important for your exams. You also remember the date of the inauguration, November 28th, 2017. Next we will move to a very big summit that happened in Hyderabad, which is called GES, Global Entrepreneurship Summit 2017, and this was inaugurated on the same day when Metro Rail was inaugurated, that is November 28th, 2017. So this GES, or Global Entrepreneurship Summit, was organized by Niti Aayog in partnership with the government of America, and this is the 8th annual Global Entrepreneurship Summit, and it is hosted by Hyderabad. And this is the first time that GES is held in South Asia. And this summit happened for 3 days from November 28th to November 30, 2017 in Hyderabad. And the theme of this GES is Women First, Prosperity for All. So the theme of the 2017 Global Entrepreneurship Summit is Women First, Prosperity for All. And this GES brought together the leading innovators, entrepreneurs and academicians from over 150 countries. Nearly 1500 delegates from 150 countries participated in this GES 2017. And what is so significant is 52% of these delegates are women. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with American President's daughter Ivanka Trump, inaugurated the GES on November 28, 2017. Remember, Ivanka Trump is also the advisor to American President. In fact, Ivanka Trump led American delegation to Hyderabad. So both of them inaugurated on November 28, 2017. And in his speech, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that women empowerment is very, very vital to India's development. And he mentioned about so many great ladies, great women of India in his speech. And he also said that Indian American astronauts are, there are 2 very important Indian origin astronauts, that is Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams in his speech, and their achievements were mentioned by the Prime Minister in his inaugural speech. And this GES was attended by so many people, and prominent among them are External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj, Defence Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao, Telangana State Governor E.S.L. Narasimhan, Telangana IT Minister K. Tarak Rama Rao, then Niti Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant, then ICICI Bank MD and CEO Chanda Kochar. All these people have participated in the Global Entrepreneurship Summit held in November in Hyderabad. And on the concluding day, the Telangana government has announced that it will set up one startup incubator, which is called as WeHub, W-E, WeHub. It will be set up on the lines of T-Hub. Here WeHub stands for Women Entrepreneurs, Women Entrepreneurs Hub or We Hub. So, as the name indicates, it is exclusively for women entrepreneurs. And Niti Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant, at the launch of this We Hub, he said that Niti Aayog will support We Hub through the central government's AIM program, through the central government's Atal Innovation Mission program. So, Atal Innovation Mission program is launched by the central government, and it will support the Telangana government's We Hub, which will be set up exclusively for women entrepreneurs. And finally, you also remember one Indian woman entrepreneur called Ajaita Shah. So, Ajaita Shah has won an award. I will tell that award, which is also very, very important for your exam. So, Ajaita Shah from India has been named the 2017 Global Innovation through Science and Technology Catalyst Pitch Competition Grand Champion. And this award was given on the concluding day at the GES 2017. And Ajaita Shah is the owner, or she is the one who started a startup called Frontier Markets. So, the startup's name is Frontier Markets, and this Frontier Markets has a focus on solar technology. So, remember all these points: GES, the theme Women First, Prosperity for All, then We Hub, then Narendra Modi and Ivanka Trump inaugurating, and also a woman called Ajaita Shah winning this Grand Champion award. Thank you.